Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Wisconsin. And I'm going to make this process super fast and easy. So click the link in the description below. I'm going to be showing you on my screen everything that you need to fill out on the Tailor Brands website for how to get your LLC. I'm going to show you what answers to type in and what buttons to click for every single question. So there's going to be no guesswork. And I'm also going to show you some options to select if you want to get it for a little bit cheaper. So this is going to be really straightforward. So click the link in the description below and let's get right into it. So this is a Tailor Brands website, and I like using Tailor Brands because it's just really easy to use. And we're going to start by typing in Wisconsin. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions. And what stage are you currently in with your business? And then what industry or kind of like category does your business fall into? So for me, it's eyelash extensions. And are you selling either a good, a service, or both? Okay, they're just asking if you're going to hire employees. If you change your mind after clicking one of these, it's not a big deal. And again, another survey question on if you have a financial goal in mind. And where are you operating from? So if you have a storefront or a shop, use that that zip code. If not, you can use the zip code from your house as long as it's in Wisconsin. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? And select all that apply here. Okay, so today I want you to click LLC and EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point within your first year of business, you will more than likely need an EIN number. And this page right here is pretty much why I love using Tailor Brands. You can see it's like a one-stop shop for everything business related. If you need like a logo designed or a website created or even help with your accounting, it's all right here. And I'm not real tech savvy. I don't enjoy searching on the internet for how to do these things and asking people for help. So it's all right here for you. So today we can just click these two options, but select anything else if you want to check it out. And this is a survey we could skip. Okay, and you just found Tailor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, Tailor Brands is offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. There's no catch to it. It's completely free, and you can kind of log in and out. There's no time frame or anything like that. I like to take it because it's free, and maybe I can learn something new, and it helps me make more money, which is cool. If you don't want it for any reason, just hit no thanks. And now you can type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, again, they're asking, do you want Tailor Brands to help you get your EIN number? Now, if you want to save a little bit of money, you can do it through the IRS website. In my opinion, I feel like government websites are super outdated, they're difficult to navigate, and they're just all around a headache. Also, the IRS website only allows you to file it Monday through Friday, business hours, which might be 8 to 5 or 9 to 6, I'm not sure on that. So if you want to file your EIN number on a Saturday, Sunday, you can. So that's what I like about Tailor Brands doing it for me. It's only $99, and pretty much me clicking this button is all I have to do. So for me, it's totally worth the potential drama. Okay, and as far as assigning a registered agent. Now, a registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Wisconsin and your business is in Wisconsin, you will be your own registered agent. Now, this might not apply if you live in some other state and you're opening an LLC in Wisconsin for tax benefits. Then you would need to appoint someone in the state to receive your mail. Tailor Brands can help you with that. But for most of you guys watching, you will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. This is no matter what state you live in. So it's a little pricey to have Tailor Brands do it for you. It's $199. They can automatically renew it, but it's still cheaper than what you would have to pay with any late fees and fines from the government. So keep that in mind. If you think that you can remember to renew it, click this button here. There's no extra charge, but just keep that in mind. If you forget to renew it every single year, you'll be hit with all those late fees and fines. Okay, and a branding toolkit, I'm gonna hit no. And to get our LLC in just 2 days from now, it's only $49. If you don't want to pay that, you can get it in 2 weeks, which is still pretty fast. And an operating agreement is really crucial to have if you have business partners. So it basically breaks down the responsibilities and the ownership of all parties involved. If it's just yourself working and there's no one else owning the business, then you do not need this, and you would click this option here. And I told you guys to save you some money, so we don't need this formation kit, but it's something worth considering. It's basically a binder with all of your organizational paperwork in it to keep your finances, your bookkeeping, your scheduling, all that stuff in one spot. Okay, yes, let's get notified about our LLC. And you guys, they offer a couple different plans. These plans that cost money do give you like a free website. They help you with your accounting. They do have some good stuff in here, but today we don't need to spend anything extra. So let's get this free plan here. And now it's going to give us the breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Wisconsin state filing fee for an LLC is $131. That is the state mandated fee. And no matter where or how you file your LLC, it will always be that price. We're also getting that free business coaching program, and we're getting the 2-day filing fee of $49. We'll get it in just 2 days from now. If you wanted to save some money, you can just unclick it right now. And here's your grand total. Now, within about a week or so, then you will be charged with the $99 EIN fee. That is just the second part of this process, so don't be surprised when you see that second charge come through. It is correct. Now we're gonna go to the payment. And once again, they're gonna ask you what address you wanna use. If you have a storefront or a shop, I recommend to use that address. If you don't, you can use your home address. I've used mine multiple times. I've never had issues with like spam mail or junk. But if you're a little concerned about that, you can always do a quick Google search on how to get a virtual address, and that works just as fine too. But that's it, you guys. You're done. You've filed your LLC and your EIN number. If you do have questions, leave them in the comments below, or maybe if you want to see something else related to this video, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. And that's it. I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.